All right, so today on the Ford, turns out the blower motor was either worn or wearing out or whatever, but here's the part number for the, let me make sure, focus. Here's the part number for the new blower motor. There we go. And from what I've seen, it's going to be, I think, 3 7 mils under the glove compartment, and then 4 8 mils that actually connect to the blower motor. So if I'm not mistaken, it's gonna be, I think, something like that, where it's hooked up under there. So then it's gonna be 1 2 3 8 mil, and then yeah, the glove compartment's gonna be 7 mil. So we'll see how that is. All I have with me gonna be 1/4" ratchet section, then a 7 and 8 mil, then a trim removal tool. So let's turn all these fucking lights off. I don't know why my lights are always on. Oh, fire. Whatever. Okay, whatever. I guess it'll be easier this way. So we're gonna take these off. Alright, so it's gonna be 3. And that shows. Now, let's see. Lift this up. Boom. Wow. A lot easier. Here, this does not look anything like the YouTube video. Oh, might be too dark in there. Wow, recording. Oh, we are recording. Oh shit, okay, so yeah. That's gonna be deep in there. In the back over there, the top right corner. So, yeah, now we'll see how easy or hard that's going to be. I'll show you the results afterwards. Can you get this? Okay, the reason I'm replacing it is, so once I turn, I guess I need to be. When I turn on my air conditioning, you're going to hear this. That is the reason, and the culprit is going to be the blower motor. So that's the whole reason we're replacing it for a brand new one. So take off the connector, and then should be 7 or 8 mil. It comes off. I'll do this guy later because it's gonna be a feel good bolt. Oh my god, I got a ratchet thing. Nice. Not big enough. Oh shit. Wrong size. Oh my god. Yeah, what the fuck? So that one fits. No, this one's too fat. I'm assuming. There we go. It's a little hard to see. But we'll turn it at a time. Alright, going. It's taking a while. And there she goes. Oh. This is the old one. How the fuck is that? What is in the way? Oh, I feel like something really stupid. Big drag on something. Oh. There you go. Oh, that was really. It's in there. So, I don't know anything about it. So it seems like it wasn't broken, but that was in there. So I don't really know what that is, but sounds normal. I'm still gonna replace it with the new one, just to have a new one. I'll probably end up just keeping this one as a spare, but yeah, I guess I gotta find out what the hell this is from, if anybody knows. It was just chilling right there, which was making the noise. Super quick side note. When I was putting it back in, I was having a pain in the ass trying to put it in like that. Let me see if you see me. So what I ended up doing, still possible to see, just kind of shoved it straight like that in the back, and then slowly started finagling it up, and then slowly started turning it, and it clicked in. So now you could kind of see this was not all the way in, but all I gotta do is hold it up, start screwing it in, and then it'll be good to go. Okay, so not all the way in, but that's a good spot to hold it at least. I want to see if I could screw it in, but it's pretty big in the butt. So now I'm gonna screw this one in. Start by hand. Not good enough. Sorry, it's actually uncomfortable to do this one. I thought it being a bigger truck would be a lot easier, but still pretty uncomfortable. That sucks. There we go. See? What's out? Air. I guess I'll make this shit lower. We have air fully going. We have no more noise. So, like I said, I don't think that one was bad. I mean, I thought it was initially, and then we saw that weird little black piece of plastic on it. So this one's good. I'm hoping. I'm gonna keep it on there as a. I'm gonna keep it as a backup just in case I need one. But yeah, everything's good. So it's a 7 mil and 8 mil. I thought you needed a pry tool. I didn't for this car. If you have a 8 mil ratcheting wrench, that would make your life a lot easier for the back one. But if not, you can still do it. That's perfectly fine. It's not even that hot. What else? But yeah, it's pretty simple. And then you pop them on. Put the 7 mils back on for the glove compartment area. That's it. So just show that part up, button it up, and call it a day.